Hi guys, how are you? I want to change this lock which is inside. This one. I bought this one, it has about 5 keys. So I'll change this one with this one. This type is more secure also. The key is different from both sides. It's more secure. Okay. To change this, see this key? This is normal type. Anyway, to change this key, this lock, you have to open this screw. Okay, here it is. Now just press it from here or other side, it will come to other side. This is the lock. Okay, we'll compare this to this. It's mostly similar. Okay, this is the new lock. We'll insert it from this side, and there is the hole where you put the screw. Okay, it's okay now. We'll insert the screw. We'll hand tighten it. Then continue with screwdriver. Okay, that's it. So we'll try with the key. See how is it? It's horizontal. So you have to put the key in this way. Okay. So that's it. Thank you.